This activity that we call bridging the gap allows students to step up and cross the cross bridge that spans the vast chasm between God and his people, and peek behind the tabernacle veil and enter the Holy of Holies. To the average person in the Old Testament, the veil and the tabernacle may well have been a brick wall with a "Do not enter, keep out" sign on it, symbolic of the separation between God and his people. But upon the death of Jesus on the cross, the thick veil that separated the Holy of Holies and the temple tore from top to bottom, announcing to the world that Jesus' death had paid our sin debt once and for all, and we were free to enter into a relationship with God. Jesus was the Lamb of God, the perfect sacrifice, and the high priest, who essentially pulls the veil open so that we can freely enter in. For this demonstration, you will need three things: a cross, a veil, and an Ark of the Covenant. Please see my previous YouTube videos titled How to Make a Tabernacle Veil and 2 videos on the Ark of the Covenant. Make an Ark of the Covenant base and make a mercy seat for your Ark of the Covenant. The video you are watching now will focus specifically on creating a cross. You have several options to make your cross. If you want your students to step up and balance as they walk across the cross bridge, or you can foresee a future lessons where students literally take up the cross and feel its weight, or you want to create a great Easter display for your students, you might want to invest your time and money in a large wooden cross. This cross is made from wood that is 3.5 inches square. Try to find high-quality wood that doesn't easily splinter. You will make a minimum of 2 cuts: a top vertical section of 12 inches in length, a bottom vertical section 44 inches in length, and a middle horizontal section that measures 28 inches across. When the pieces are placed together, the total height is 60 inches or 5 feet. As you can see, the pieces are screwed together at an angle to provide maximum hold. In fact, there are 10 screws holding this cross together. You could place wood filler in the holes, but here's a heads up. When you have dozens of children walking across the cross bridge, there is plenty of opportunity for loosening, and so it's just as easy to leave them accessible so that you can tighten them when needed. This smaller 4-foot cross is also made from wood, but it has a couple of advantages. First, the 2.5 inch by 3/4 inch size is more cost-effective, and you might have a similar size, it doesn't have to be exact, in your garage or basement. Second, depending on the length of your wood, you might only have to make 1 cut, a vertical section of 48 inches and a horizontal section of 24 inches, and then simply nail them together. If you don't nail the pieces together tightly, they can swivel for storage. Yet another alternative is to make an outline of a cross on your floor using masking tape. Cut 4 4.5 inch lengths, 6 12-inch lengths, and 2 44 inch pieces. Then it is simply a matter of piecing them together to make a cross. Occasionally, check the distances between parallel lines to ensure that your cross does not lean to the right or to the left. Obviously, a wood or tiled floor would be better than the carpeting you see here, but in any event, it is a great temporary cross for your activity. Spiff up your masking tape cross by adding wood textured drawline paper. Make sure that you use a removable adhesive back paper like this one unless you want a permanent cross on your floor. This is a lot easier if you already have a masking tape outline. Then it is simply a matter of cutting and sticking the paper down. As much as you are able to match the grain on your pieces, the closer it will look like one piece of wood. This only takes a few extra minutes, but what a wonderful wow effect. This Bridging the Gap demonstration is included in Day 5 of our Come Let Us Tabernacle Together multi-day curriculum. What an exciting privilege as a teacher to guide your students as they make a choice whether to cross the cross bridge, go behind the veil, and see for the very first time the Ark of the Covenant, symbolizing the throne of God. what tenderness and comfort we give to our students when we remind them that they have full access to God any day, any time, and any place.